welcome to another Contego video. We wanted to give some additional information on Teams since we seem to get some really good feedback from the last one. So far, we talked about Teams and recording and using your Teams to connect with people outside your organization. Today we're going to more focus on people within your organization and some of the tools that are just built into Teams. I wanted to talk first of all about social connecting and making sure we do that in this time of social isolation. We want to talk about meeting notes and how to use them, and Teams whiteboards, because if you're like me, you've missed your whiteboard and being able to stand up in a meeting and draw something. So those are the topics for today. I wanted to start by talking about, we're talking a lot about social distancing these days, and I think what we really mean is physical distancing and how do we keep connected socially. We're used to talking to our coworkers across the hallway, across the other side of the cubicle, and having that interaction every day, and we don't get to do that when we're working remotely. So I'd encourage you to use meeting times. Start with just a time to connect, and if you let people start connecting into your meeting, spend the first 5-10 minutes even just reconnecting, seeing how people's weeks are going, seeing what challenges they're running into, and how they're doing and how they're handling this situation. In terms of Teams, I wanted to start off with meeting notes. It's quite a simple feature. You click on the 3 buttons at the bottom, and then you click on Show Meeting Notes. This is a great feature. You can basically take notes for your meeting and have everyone watch as you do that, and so that everyone's on the same page when that happens. Here's an example. I've got some meeting notes that I put in. I've got my agenda, and then I've got spaces to add extra information. What you'll find is that if you go in ahead of your meeting, connect into your meeting, you can actually access the meeting notes and actually put your schedule in, so it's already typed in there, so you're not wasting part of your meeting time doing that. So that's just an easy feature to use. The other part that I like to use is whiteboards. Anyone who goes to meetings with me knows that my first chance to pick up a pen and start doodling on the whiteboard, I will take that opportunity. So if you click on your share screens icon, on the right hand side there should be a whiteboard button, and that just opens up a whiteboard for you to doodle on. This is just some doodles I made. You basically get, with a picture, you get a better idea and feel of what's going on in a meeting and what's going on in a situation. A picture is worth 1,000 words, they always say. And so you can use various pens. You can erase what you've drawn if it doesn't turn out quite right. In the age of touchscreens, this is an extremely valuable function. One of the things you can do is you can do screen sharing and meeting notes, or whiteboard and meeting notes. And so you can kind of combine the two, start doodling your notes over here, fill in your meeting notes, your agenda, and you've got a really good description of what happened. You may not even need the recording at the end, as we talked about last time. Things to remember from today: take time to meet with your staff like you would in the office. Take these chances for social interaction. And also to remember that those notes and those whiteboards, those images stay with your meetings. So even if you go back weeks later, you should still be able to find them. Thanks for watching today. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.